Module Exchange provides fast, convenient, on-site calibration to support compliance, productivity, and strengthen workplace safety. This video demonstrates how to complete a module exchange quickly and easily. This includes Druglizer LE5, Alcolizer LE5, Centurion Quantum, and Centurion Zero. In the future, when you need to book a replacement module, simply visit our website www.alcolizer.com and navigate to the Service and Support tab. Select Book Calibration and Service, and place your order anytime, whenever it suits your schedule. Include your device serial number before adding to cart. If you have an account or require a quote, you can choose these options during checkout, along with credit card payment. When your replacement module arrives, either individually or in a bulk package, depending on your order quantity, simply scan the QR code on the front. It will take you directly to this step-by-step instruction video for replacing the module. When your package arrives, you'll find a calibration certificate for a single order, an Allen key for LE5 and Druglizer modules, and a service delivery docket. Please open carefully at the perforated edge, as the packaging is designed to be reused for returning the expired module. For Centurion Quantum customers, a replacement drain tube is also included. Inside, with your calibrated sample module, you'll find a prepaid return label. Please place it on the outer wrap as soon as you receive it, so it's ready when returning the expired module. This must be done within 14 days to avoid module replacement fees. To replace the module in a LE5 and Druglizer with the device turned off, use the Allen key provided to remove the screw. Swap the old module with the new calibrated module, reinsert and tighten the screw to secure it in place. Turn the device back on to resume operation. For Centurion Quantum, begin by opening the device and pressing the off button. Remove the drain tube and unscrew the aluminium thumb nut carefully. Remove the expired module. Insert the new calibrated module and tighten the aluminium thumb nut to secure. Attach the new drain tube. Press the off button again to restart the device and close the unit. For Centurion Zero, open the device and press the off button. Remove the expired module by unscrewing the aluminium thumb nut and carefully removing. Insert the new calibrated module and tighten the aluminium thumb nut to secure. Press the off button again to restart the device and close the unit. Please return all expired modules in their original packaging with the return label attached within 14 days to avoid replacement fees. Your calibration is now complete. This quick and easy process keeps your device available, your team productive, and your operations running reliably, while keeping safety a top priority. For any further questions or support, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team through our website www.alcolizer.com, by phone or by email. We appreciate your time and your commitment to safety.